Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. As you can see by the title above, this is a video in collaboration with Dollar Tree and their new greeting card campaign. They're going to be having this new line as of today, August 30th, worldwide in every, well, not every right now, but selected Dollar Trees. It will be in every store as time goes by, and the new lines are going to be Expressions from Hallmark and Heartline, a Hallmark company. The Heartline is going to be 2 for $1, and the Expressions will be $1 each. And you guys know that these cards at Dollar Tree are beautiful, super affordable, and for every occasion, birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, every single occasion you are able to find, and without breaking the bank, you guys. So if you guys are interested in looking up these new collections that are coming out, definitely go check out your local Dollar Tree. I will have also the link down below to Dollar Tree so you guys can purchase them online as well. And other brands that they're going to be having through Hallmark is going to be the Mahogany line, the Tree of Life, Joyfully Yours, and the Vita line. And yeah, you guys, so basically what I want to do is show you guys some of the greeting cards that were sent to me to showcase the new line. We have some Spanish ones here. Look how pretty, you guys. And these are, they have the little sprinkles and stuff like that, so they're very detailed. I love that you can see the little glitter on them. This one's super cute. It says, today's the start of something good. They have thank you cards, you guys, and everything. This is another birthday one. Look at this one with a little donut. And you can feel it. They're textured. We got the Disney, Mickey, Minnie, and Pluto. Then we also have, like, for the weddings, best wishes. We also have more birthday cards. Oh, this one has 2 envelopes. More birthday cards. This one's super cute with the little purses and the shoes. Happy birthday. Holy cow, it's your birthday. That's fun. But yeah, you guys, definitely check out the links down below. And I do want to say a disclaimer. I am being compensated for this video and for the affiliated links that are down below. And yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.